There is something truly magical about handcrafted candles. The warm glow, the flickering flame, and the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hand. Today we are diving into the heart of making deep taper candles, a timeless craft that has been a practice for centuries. Whether you are making them for ambience or just for fun, deep taper candles add a touch of elegance to any space. And the best part, you don't need fancy equipment, just a few simple ingredients, a little patience, and some creativity. So grab your wax and a steady hand because in this video, I will show you step by step how to make a perfectly smooth, long burning deep taper candle right at home. I am using paraffin wax. It comes in slab and each slab weighs something around 5 kg. So we are going to cut into little particles. In that way, it will be easier for us to melt it. Cutting paraffin wax is not that easy. It's somehow very hard to cut. You need to be careful while cutting it. So this is how it look like. So when you're done cutting, you need to measure out the amount of wax you cut out for the production. So when you are done cutting, the next step is to prepare your mold. I'm using improvised mold that I made out from PVC pipe. So I've made a step-by-step video on how to make this. So you can check the description box for the video link. Then this is the twine I'm going to work with. You can use twine like this or a stove wick like this. So you can use stove wick or twine. So anyone can work better. So the first step is to align your bring out your wick and align it perfectly in the center of the mold. This is very important. So I'm using toothpick as my guide. So I will tie the wick around my toothpick. So as you can see on the video, so you can check the full video in the description box on how I made this. So if in case if you want to recreate this mold for your project. So I will push it through using a skewer stick and align it at the center. You have to properly align it at the center, which is very important. And I'm going to secure it with tape so that when I'm filling it with a candle wax, it won't pour out. So as you can see, I carefully align it at the middle. So I'll go ahead and prepare all my molds. As you can see, my molds are well prepared. So moving on, we're going to melt our candle using a double boiler since we are dealing with a very little amount. So we have to stir until it completely dissolves. While this is melting, let us measure out some amount of stearic acid and paraffin oil. So adding stearic acid makes candle harder, burns slower, and appears more polished, while paraffin oil improves smoothness, prevents cracking, and ensures even dipping. Combination of stearic acid and paraffin oil enhance durability, appearance, and overall bond quality. Once the paraffin wax is completely dissolved, then add in your stearic acid. Stir at interval until it completely dissolved. Once dissolved, add in your paraffin oil and make sure you stir gently to incorporate. Now allow it to cool to around 65 degrees Celsius before adding it to your mold. So just carefully add it to your mold. But remember, allow it to cool to temperature around 65 degrees Celsius before adding it. If you don't have thermometer to monitor the temperature, you can simply leave it after bringing out from the heat for like 20 minutes before adding it to your mold. Once everything is filled up, set it aside for like 4 hours to solidify. So now let us go ahead and unmold the candle to see how it looks like. I will carefully cut out the toothpick and remove them, and later remove the tape. So as you can see, you are seeing some yellow color on the mold. That is because I've earlier made some yellow deep taper candle with this same mold. So that is why you are seeing the stain of yellow color on the mold. So with the help of a rod like this, I will push out the candle from the mold. It is very easy. So just pull it out and repeat the same process with the rest of them. You need to be careful, you don't have to bend them or else it will break. See how it came out. Then the next we have to pull out the tipper. See how beautiful it looks. And there you have it. Your very own handcrafted deep tipper candles. With just a little patience and the right wax blend, you can create elegant, long-lasting candle for any occasion. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more DIY projects like this. Got any question or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments. I love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and inspire.